everyone, and a very warm welcome back to another in-depth video. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at a fantastic command line utility called Magic Wormhole. This tool is an absolute gem when it comes to secure and straightforward file sharing. We'll be guiding you through the installation process on Kali Linux, and more importantly, we'll be diving deep into understanding its functionality and emphasizing its ethical application in various scenarios. In today's digital landscape, the need to share files securely and efficiently is more critical than ever. Whether you're collaborating on a project, transferring sensitive data with proper authorization, of course, or simply moving files between your own machines, having a reliable and secure method is essential. This is where Magic Wormhole shines. So, what makes Magic Wormhole so special? At its core, Magic Wormhole is a command line tool that allows you to securely transfer files and directories between computers. The beauty of it lies in its simplicity. You don't need to configure complex network settings, create accounts, or rely on third-party cloud storage services. It establishes a direct, encrypted connection between the sender and the receiver. What's happening under the hood is quite clever. Magic Wormhole uses a technique called Password Authenticated Key Exchange, or PAKE. This allows computers to establish a secure, end-to-end encrypted connection even if they've never communicated before and without needing to exchange any pre-existing secrets. The wormhole code that gets generated acts as a human-readable password that both parties use to authenticate and establish this secure channel. This means your files are protected from eavesdropping during transit. Now, the reason we're focusing on Kali Linux today is because it's a popular distribution for cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts. Understanding tools like Magic Wormhole is valuable for various ethical purposes, such as securely sharing findings from a penetration test with a client or collaborating on security research projects. Before we proceed with the installation, let's reiterate the golden rule. Ethical use is paramount. Magic Wormhole, like any powerful tool, can be misused. It's absolutely crucial that you only use it to transfer files that you have the explicit right to share and with the full consent of the intended recipient. We're talking about scenarios like transferring files between your own devices, securely sharing documents with trusted colleagues within an organization following proper protocols, or in controlled environments for testing and learning. Unauthorized file sharing is illegal and unethical. With that important reminder out of the way, let's get our hands dirty with the installation process on Kali Linux. As I mentioned earlier, Magic Wormhole is often readily available in the Kali repositories, making the installation quite straightforward. The first step, as always when working with Kali or any Debian-based system, is to ensure that your package lists are up to date. This ensures you're getting the latest version of the software and its dependencies. Open your terminal and type sudo apt update. Go ahead and enter your password when prompted. This command might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Now that our package lists are refreshed, we can proceed with the installation of Magic Wormhole. We'll use the apt install command, which is the standard way to install software on Debian-based systems like Kali. Type the following command carefully. Sudo apt install Magic Wormhole. You'll likely be presented with some information about the packages that will be installed and ask for confirmation. Typically, you'll need to type Y for yes and press enter to continue with the installation. Let the process complete. You'll see the progress in the terminal. Now, let's circle back to the crucial aspect of ethical considerations. While Magic Wormhole is a fantastic tool for legitimate purposes, it's vital to understand the potential for misuse. Never use this tool to transfer copyrighted material without permission, share sensitive data without proper authorization, or engage in any activity that violates privacy or legal regulations. Never use this tool to transfer copyrighted material without permission, share sensitive data without proper authorization, or engage in any activity that violates privacy or legal regulations. Your actions should always be guided by ethical principles and respect for the law. Understanding tools like Magic Wormhole in an ethical context is a fundamental aspect of responsible technology usage, especially within the realm of cybersecurity. Think of ethical use cases like securely sharing the results of a vulnerability assessment with a client who has commissioned your services, collaborating with fellow security researchers on a project where you have the necessary permissions to share data, or simply transferring large video files between your personal computers without relying on third-party services that might have storage limitations or privacy concerns. So that brings us to the end of our in-depth look at installing and understanding Magic Wormhole on Kali Linux. I truly hope this video has been informative and has empowered you to use this tool effectively and, most importantly, ethically. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more content on ethical hacking, cybersecurity tools, and Linux tutorials, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We always appreciate your engagement, so feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. Let us know what other tools or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to always use your knowledge and tools responsibly and ethically. Stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.